And I'm 7.
You are 7, okay. So you will also join Govinda, right?
Yeah.
Very good, very good, very good.
Wow.
Please do join, okay? You can join both the classes, no worries. Okay. Yeah, we have more time. We will start the Hare Krishna Maha Mantra in 1 minute, okay? We all chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Let's see if somebody on their video, I did not say them, hi, I can say them. You all kids, you can be on video if you'd like to. Okay. Hari Bol. Nice to see all of you.
Hare Krishna.
Yeah, what's her name? Swara. Somebody spotted me. Okay, Swara. Hare Krishna. How old are you? Can you show me with your fingers? How old are you? Hi. Hare Krishna. Welcome to the call.
Hare Krishna.
She's 4. Are you 4?
You're 4?
How old are you?
4?
And then how old are you? She's 3.5.
3.5. Hari Bol. Welcome to the call. Thanks for joining in. Okay, let's start our chanting Hare Krishna Maha Mantra. Okay, we can chant little more time.
This one.
Okay, that's fine. Sit down. Let's chant, okay? It's already recording and also it's live. Okay, let's all chant Hare Krishna Maha Mantra, okay? Before that, I would like to chant Guru Mantra, okay? If someone knows, they can follow me. If someone don't know, we will send you the recording in the group. You can practice it, okay?
नमो विष्णुपादाय कृष्ण पृष्ठाय भूतले भक्ति वेदांत स्वामी
Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Hare Rama Krishna, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare 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 Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Hare Rama, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Rama, Hare Rama, Rama
हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे कृष्णा कृष्णा कृष्णा
Hare
हरे राम हरे कृष्णा हरे
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare
Kids, can you all hear me? Let's say Hari Bol. Okay, Hari Bol. Okay. Yes. Now be quiet. Okay. If you all quiet, we will not mute you. If you don't be quiet, then we will mute you, all of you. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Good.
Mataji, we can't hear you. Mataji, we can't hear you.
Okay.
Mataji, now we can hear you, Mataji.
Thank you, kids. So today we are going to see letter S. Okay, letter S. We have many things that starts with letter S. Snake, swan, stomach, stem, many things, right? That we see. So now we'll see what we are going to see for Krishna consciousness.
Sunglasses.
Sunglasses, yes. I want everybody to be quiet so that we can hear the story. Okay, do you want to hear the story or not? Yes, right? We all want to hear some story. So be quiet. Okay, thank you, kids. So today we are seeing something which starts with S. S is Sakshi Gopal's story, okay? Many years ago in Vidyanagar, in the South India, there were two Brahmanas, okay? They want to go to where? Pilgrimage, to see holy places, okay? So these two Brahmanas want to see different holy places. So they went all the different places. Finally, they came to the place Mathura, where Lord Krishna appeared. We all know that Lord Krishna is appeared in Mathura, right? So in that, there is a forest called Vrindavan. In the forest, there is a temple which is Lord Gopal's temple. So then these two Brahmanas visited all the places. Now they have reached this place, okay, where this Gopal temple is there. So the younger Brahmana, there were two Brahmanas, right? There was one younger Brahmana, there was one older Brahmana, right? So then the younger Brahmana was taking care of the old Brahmana very nicely, because we know the old people cannot walk properly, cannot do them things very fast like as we do, right? We can even see that you run very fast. than your parents, because you are very small and you have very good energy than your parents. You can run very fast because you are short and you'll have that stamina in you. But parents can be little slow sometimes, right? Like that, the old age people are very tired and they cannot do anything by themselves. So as this another Brahmana was very young, he helped him all the ways. And this Brahmana was so happy, the old Brahmana, throughout the journey when they were going all the holy places, different pilgrimage places. So then the old Brahmana became so happy, and he told that, he was talking to younger Brahmana, that you took care me so nicely, even my son will not be taking care of me like this. So then he was so pleased, the old Brahmana. So therefore he wanted to give his daughter in charity. So like that. So this is the old Brahmana and this is the younger Brahmana. You can see all in the picture. So he's telling to old Brahmana is telling to younger Brahmana that you took care of me so nicely. I would like to give my daughter as a gift. So the next what happened, you see, the younger Brahmana is folding his hands and telling, no, this is not correct. I am very poor. I am not rich like you. The old Brahmana was very rich and I don't know, I'm not educated. And how can you give your daughter? Why I served you? Because Krishna likes if somebody's devotees are served. Krishna loved to see his devotees are served. So that is why I served you. I did not expect anything from you. I don't want this. So, but you also did not ask your family members. And without asking your family members, how can you give your daughter to me? No, I cannot accept this. But then what the older Brahmana told, the older Brahmana said, no, nobody can stop me. I made up my mind. Now I will not change it. I'm going to give my daughter to you. So then what happened? The younger Brahmana turned towards the Gopal deity's temple. We said, right? We said in the beginning that they came to the temple. Where this Gopal deity was there. So then what happened? The younger Brahmana turned towards the temple. You can see here. He told, you can, yes. Haribol. Can we all be quiet? Can we all be quiet to listen the story?
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, Mataji.
Thank you, sweet kids. So then what happened? So they both went into the temple. You can see in this picture, they both went into the temple. So the younger Brahmana told to older Brahmana to promise in front of the deity. So then the old Brahmana bowed down in front of the deity. And said that, yes, I am going to give my daughter to him, like that. And then you please be a witness of it. And then the younger Brahmana said, Gopal, please, you hear this, right? You should come. If there is any problem later, you should come and help me in this. That, this older Brahmana has promised in front of you. So like that. So they both have, talked in front of the Lord about this marriage. Okay, so then what happened afterwards, after this going different holy places is over, then they both went. And then what happened? So then both went back. So they have seen all the different places, and then both went back to their places. So then days have been passed. So many days have passed. So now the old Brahmana has promised to give to younger Brahmana his child, right? So now the old Brahmana need to inform his family members. Right? So now he was thinking, he gathered everybody in his family, you can see in the picture, and he was telling, I have promised to this younger Brahmana who served me in, can you sit down? can you sit down here? Who served me in the pilgrimage? I promised him to give our daughter to him. So everybody, how can you give the daughter? You know, we are very rich and that Brahmana is very poor. No, you cannot give. And then the old Brahmana said, you know exactly what had happened. I promised in front of the Gopal deity, which is in Vrindavan. So then immediately the old Brahmana's son, you can see here in the picture, he was telling, oh, you promised in front of the deity, but deity is not here. Deity is in Vrindavan, so far away. How can deity come as a witness? You don't have to worry. You just follow me and tell what I say. That's it. We cannot give our sister to this young Brahmana who is very poor. We cannot give him. So then now the older Brahmana was very fearful because he's going to lie, right? We should not lie. Once we promise to somebody, we should not do lies. So then what happens? We'll get punishment for it, right? We'll get sin out of it. So this old Brahmana was very innocent. So what is he doing? He was praying to Lord Gopal, please Gopal, please be on me, merciful. Please help me in this situation. I don't want it to do any mistake. Please come and help me. Please come. Like that he was praying. So like that it was, days was going. So one day finally the young Brahmana came. You know, the young Brahmana came to the old Brahmana's house to inquire about his promise that the old Brahmana promised, right, to give the daughter. So the young Brahmana came and asked, you know, you told that you will give your daughter to me. Then immediately hearing this, what happened? The old Brahmana's son, who did not like, right? Who did not like, one second, who did not like the young Brahmana, who don't like this young Brahmana because he's old and pure. So the old Brahmana's son immediately came outside and said, no, how dare you to ask my sister? You are very poor. We cannot give you. Then immediately he got very much insult about it. And then, he immediately went to the village people and asked, this old Brahmana's family and his son is insulting me. Like that he gathered everybody. You can see in the picture. You can see in the picture here. So then what happened? After that, after everybody gathered, everybody started asking this old Brahmana, is this true that did you promise to young Brahmana that you are going to give your baby, your daughter to him? So then what happened? No, that old Brahmana said, no, I don't remember anything, because his son was telling him, right, not to tell the truth in front of everybody. Can you sit down, please, Nanda? So then he did not say the truth. He said that I don't know, I don't remember anything. Immediately he got very much, scared. I mean, like scared. What is this? How can this old Brahmana say lies? So then he told the young Brahmana told to everybody in the village that, he promised in front of the Gopal deity. Gopal deity is a witness. Then what did the Brahmana do? Brahmana knows, he is very pure devotee of the Lord, right? He also knows that. So he said that if you bring your Gopal deity as a witness, then we will give my daughter to you. Like that he planned. And immediately what happened? Everybody agreed. Even the old Brahmana's son has agreed, because the old Brahmana's son does not believe on the deity and he is not so pure devotee. He was thinking, how can deity work? Deities cannot work, right? So, but the old Brahmana has very much faith because he's a pure devotee. He was thinking definitely he will come. And this also the young Brahmana who helped the old Brahmana, he is also very much confident that Krishna is going to come, because both are devotees. They know that Krishna can listen to them. So both were very confident that Krishna is going to help them. So then what happened? Finally, what the villagers has told, that bring the Gopal, right? Then this young Brahmana went all the way to Vrindavan and he went to the temple and he started praying to the Gopal deity. Gopal deity, Gopal, in front of you only, right? The old Brahmana has promised. Then see, now the old Brahmana is saying lies. I don't want him to get sin. So he is not bothered that his daughter daughter is not going to get married. No, he's bothered about the old Brahmana is going to do something wrong. So it's going to affect him, right? If some devotee is doing mistake, he's going to get affected. So then immediately what happened? So Krishna said, no, how can I walk all the way from here to your place, from Vrindavan to Vidyanagari? How can I walk? I cannot walk. Then this young Brahmana is very talented. He said that, see, I never heard deities talking also, but you are talking now. Yes, right? So then why you cannot walk? You are not a statue. You are Lord Krishna, Supreme Personality of Godhead. You can walk, you can talk, you can do whatever you want. So please come with me. So then by seeing his devotional service, Krishna was also so surprised, and Krishna couldn't say anything, and then Krishna agreed. Okay, I will come with you. But there is one condition. What is that condition that Krishna put to this young Brahmana? That I am going to walk, but you should not turn and see me back. If you see me back, I'll stop walking. So this is what the Gopal has put the condition to this young Brahmana. But how does this young Brahmana knows that Gopal is walking or not? You can see here anklets. So with that anklet sounds, Krishna, we can hear that Krishna is walking. So then, okay, then this young Brahmana agreed, okay, that's good idea. So then let's start. So then they both started walking to the village of this old Brahmana's village. To be as a witness. And then what happened after a while, after walking for a long distance, and then when they were very close to the village, that time there was no anklets bed sound, no ting ting ting, no sound is coming. So then what happened? Now the young Brahmana got doubt, oh, where is this Krishna? Gopal is coming or not? He turned and checked. And then what? Krishna was smiling. Now I am not going to move from here. I told you before that you should not turn back. That you should not turn back. You turn back. Now I'm going to be here. I'm not going to move from here. You call all the village people here only. Then immediately he ran. He ran and he brought all the village people over there. And then everybody was stunned. How can a deity come? So that means this young Brahmana is a very pure devotee. Immediately the old Brahmana and young Brahmana, everybody fall at the feet of Krishna. And then they immediately gave the daughter of the old Brahmana's daughter was given to this young Brahmana, and marriage was happened. And then Krishna was also so happy with the devotion of this old Brahmana and young Brahmana. So then he asked, what can I do for you, both of you? Then they replied, please Gopal, you came all the way from Vrindavan. Can you stay here? Please do stay here only. Then everybody will know how great you are, how merciful you are to your devotees. You walked from all the way to Vrindavan to here to satisfy your devotee, right? So everybody will glorify this. So I don't want you to go back to Vrindavan. Please stay here. So they asked this one to Gopal, and Gopal has agreed. And then everybody started worshipping. And the king also built very beautiful temple, and that temple is known as Sakshi Gopal temple. So that means, Sakshi means witness. So he came for a witness, right? To give the surety that this old Brahmana has promised in front of me to give the daughter to young Brahmana, right? So that's the story of Sakshi Gopal. Let's move to the moral of this story. Moral of the story is Krishna is very merciful to his devotees, and Krishna is the Supreme Personality of Godhead. He is not controlled by any modes of nature like we are controlled, right? We are controlled by many things, but Krishna is not like that. Krishna is a Supreme. He can do anything. Even in the deity form he could walk, right? So that's the greatness of Krishna. So we should not think that, okay, this is a deity, okay, this is not the Krishna, this is like a doll. No, Krishna, when you call Krishna with the love and affection, Krishna will come and sit in the deity form. So we should so this is the moral of the story, okay? So let's see the question answers, okay? Okay, once two Brahmana decided to go where? Where did they decided to go?
To pilgrimage.
Pilgrimage. Yes.
Pilgrimage. Shamagari said that.
Vrindavan. Yes, yes. Taking care of elders and brahmanas. Is it true? Taking care of elders and brahmanas is good, is true or false? Can we take care of elders and brahmanas or not?
Yes.
We should take care of elders and brahmanas, right? Respect them. Okay. Telling lies is good or true or false? I mean, like telling lies is good or bad?
Bad.
Say lies, not say lies, right? So when there is a situation that you would feel like I'm telling lies, then you immediately need to take shelter of Krishna. Oh, today I feel like something I did wrong. Then what we have to do? That's okay. Sometimes happens. We do mistakes. That's not a problem. We need to go in front of Krishna and say sorry, and we should not repeat again that mistake. Okay. So, can we get the love of Krishna by doing devotional service? Can we get it?
Yes.
So why did the Gopal stop walking? Why did the Gopal stop walking?
Because the Brahmana turned his face look Gopal.
Yes. You can see this picture, right? Is this a young Brahmana or an old Brahmana? Old Brahmana. Old Brahmana. Yes. Thank you, kids, for participating so nicely. Old Brahmana. Do you all like this story?
Yes.
One time, big Hari Bol. Hari Bol.
Hari Bol. Wait. Hari Bol.
Okay. Let's move to the
Top of
rhyme part. Okay. Saroja Nandini Mataji, please take over, Mataji.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. They're doing
Why?
I only
The sloka. Just to listen.
We're going to learn about Tulasi. It starts about it is about 8 gopis of Vrindavan. Okay, it's about the 8 gopis, and let's start the rhyme. Please repeat after me. Okay, so please repeat after me. Tulasi leaf on top of Krishna's feet.
Tulasi on top of
Let's do one more time. Tulasi leaf on top of Krishna's feet. Tell me the names of the 8 gopis.
Tell me the names of Lalita,
Lalita, Vishaka,
Ranga Devi, and Radharani is the chief gopi. Shampala,
Devi, Radharani, Let's do one more time. Are you ready? Please wait for me. Repeat after me, okay? Tulasi leaf on top of Krishna's feet. Tell me the names of the 8 Lalita Vishaka Induleka.
Lalita Vishaka Induleka.
Pampakalata Tunga Vidya.
Tunga Vidya.
Sudevi Rangadevi. And Radharani is Okay, kids, you sang beautifully. You repeated very well. We are going to sing the rhyme in break rooms, okay? So until then, we'll learn the shloka as well. Today's shloka is from the Bhagavad Gita, 9th chapter, 27th verse, okay? So first, we will repeat the shloka and then we will see the meaning, okay? Apichet. Suduracharo. Bhajate mam. Ananya bhat. Bhajate mam ananya bhat. Sadurevasa. Mantavyaha. Sadurevasa mantavyaha. Samyag Vyavasito hi saha. Samyak vyavasito hi saha. Api chet suduracharo. Bhajate mam ananya bhat. Sadureva samantavyaha. Samyak vyavasito hi saha. Let's do one more time. Apichet suduracharo. Bhajate mam ananya bhat. Sadureva samantavyaha. Samyag vyavasito hi saha. Okay, kids, let's do the translation. Okay, so what does this shloka mean? I'm going to read the translation in two parts. Please repeat after me. Okay. Even if one commits the most abominable action, if he is engaged in devotional service, he is to be considered saintly because he is properly situated Indiscrimination.
Indiscrimination.
Okay, so this shloka talks about somebody who has been doing devotional service, but he does some mistake or he does some bad action, but still Krishna will protect him for the devotional service that he or she did. Okay, so never get discouraged. Whatever happens, don't leave Krishna. Even if you perform something wrong, you can still continue in your devotional service, and you should never think bad about any devotee or any person. Okay, because they can always pick up. Krishna will protect such devotees. Okay, that's what this shloka says. Okay, I think we're all ready to break into different rooms to recite the shloka and the rhyme. Are we all ready? Mataji, we can break.
Yes, Mataji. Everyone is in break rooms now. You're in the main room. Mataji, do you want me to present the slides or do you have the slides, Mataji? Uh-oh.
Mataji, your video is.
Hare Krishna,
Stop.
Mataji.
Okay. Okay.
Can you?
Hare Krishna. So, anybody would like to recite the rhyme or the shloka?
Mataji, should I present the slides?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
Mataji, if you have.
Pranav, you want to try the rhyme?
Ma
Tulasi.
Mataji, I can try the rhyme.
Say.
Who is this?
Pranav.
Pranav. Yes, Pranav. Please go ahead.
See leaf on top of Krishna's feet.
Yeah.
Tell me the names of the 8 gopis. Lalita, Vishaka, Induleka, Champakalata, Tungavidya, Chitra, Sudevi, Rangadevi, and Radharani is the chief gopi.
Thank you, Pranav. Very nice singing. Okay, Raghav wants to go ahead. Go ahead.
Thank you, Mataji. On top of the leaf, tell me the gopis. Lalita, Vishaka, Induleka, Champakalata, Tungavidya, Chitra, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Radharani is the chief gopi.
Okay, thank you, Raghav. Okay. Who else wants to sing the rhyme? Please raise your hands if you want to sing. I don't see anybody raising your hands. Ritika, do you want to try?
Mataji,
Okay, Nirvi, you want to try first? Nirvi,
Yeah.
please go ahead.
Tulsi leaf on top of Krishna's
on top of Krishna's
feet.
feet.
Tell me the names of the 8 gopis.
Tell me the names
Of the 8 gopis.
of the 8 of gopis.
Lalita, Vishakha, Induleka. Lalita,
Lalita,
Vishakha,
Vishaka,
Induleka.
Induleka,
Champaklata,
Champatakta,
Tungavidya,
Tungavidya,
Chitra,
Chitya,
Sudevi, Rangadevi. Sudevi,
Sudevi,
Rangadevi,
Rangadevi,
and Radharani is the
and Radharani is the
chief gopi.
chief gopi. Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Nirvi. That was very nice.
Me, Prahalad.
Okay.
Tulasi leaf on top of Krishna's leaf. feet. Tell me the names of the 8 gopis. Lalita, Vishaka, Indulekha, Champakata, Tungavedya, Chitratu Devi, Rangadevi, and Radharani is the chief gopi.
Mataji,
That was very.
Hare Krishna Mataji, I just have to go to Shamarupni Mataji's break room. She has asked for something.
Okay.
So I think when I leave, the share will stop. I'm not sure. Is it okay?
I don't have the slide right now.
Mataji, are you on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay. I can send this as a picture, Mataji, and then it would hopefully show up.
I can see what you're doing, correct? Probably, yes.
Carry on, Mataji. I will. When I leave, you will know, Mataji.
Because then the share screen will stop.
Hare Krishna. So just give us a couple of seconds.
Okay, Mataji. I'll leave, Mataji. I've sent it to you, and you can just share from your photos, Mataji. So share.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
I'll come back quickly, Mataji.
Okay. Just give me a few seconds.
Is class over?
No, it's not. Mataji will be back in few minutes.
Okay, just give me a couple of seconds. I'm just trying to project that screen. Okay, can you all see my screen now?
Yes.
Okay, who wanted to sing the next? Who wanted to sing?
Me, Ritika.
Ritika, please go ahead.
Tulsi leaf on top of Krishna leaf. Krishna's feet. Tell me. Let's tell me names with 8 gopis. Lalita, Vishaka, Indulekha, Champaklata, Godya, Chipra, Sudevi, Rangadevi, Radharani is the chief gopi. Thank you, Mataji. Me part. Me.
Thank you.
Me. Part.
Okay. I see Parth. Yes, Parth, please go ahead.
Leaf on top of Krishna's feet. Tell me the names of the 8 gopis.
Lalita,
Vikasa, Indulika, Champatlaka, Tunga Vidya, Chitra Sudevi, Rangadevi,
and Radharani.
Radharani is the chief gopi.
Thank you,
Thank you,
Parth.
Mataji.
Nice. Thank you for singing so nicely. I see Basu. Do you want to go ahead and sing? Tulasi leaf on top of Krishna's feet. Tell me the name of the 8 gopis. Lalita, Vishaka, Induleka, Lata, Tunga Vidya, Chitra Sudevi, Rangadevi, and Rani is the chief gopi. Thank you. That was very nice. Mridaksh, do you want to go ahead and sing? Mridaksh?
Tulasi Shuka. Tulasi top of leaf on top of Snuffy. Tell me the 8
Names of
8 names of gopis. Lalita, Vijay Kumar, Vishaka, Induleka,
Champakalada Tungavidya,
Sampakalaga, Tumvidya,
Chitra Sudevi Rangadevi,
Sutta Sidevi, Rangadevi,
Radharani is the chief gopi.
Radharani is
The chief gopi.
the chief gopi.
Thank you. That was very
Thank you,
nice.
Mataji.
Yeah, I see Satvik and Harshvita. Satvik and Harshvita, you raised your hands. Do you want to sing? Are you there, Satvik and Harshvita? Okay, Moksha. I see Moksha raising hand. Moksha, do you want to go ahead and sing?
Yes. Sing. Tulasi leaf on top of Krishna's feet.
Tulsi leaf on top of Krishna's feet. Tell me the names of the 8 gopis. Lalita, Vishaka, Induleka, Pakalata, Tunga Vidya, Chitra Sudevi, Rangadevi, and Radharani is the chief gopi.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Thank you. Thank you, Moksha. That was very nice. I see Nirvi raising hands again. Nirvi, you already sang the rhyme. Did you want to sing the shloka? Yeah, please go ahead. Please go ahead and say the shloka.
Api Chetsu Duracharo Chetsu Duracharo Bhajate Mam Nanya Bhak Sadureva Sa Manatavyah Samyagavya Vasito He Saha.
Thank you, Mataji.
Thank you, Nirvi. Very nice. I think kids, we are already time. we have crossed our time, so please excuse us. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you all very very nicely singing the rhyme and reciting shlokas. Let's see tomorrow. Hare Krishna. Let's end with Vaishnava prayers. Vancha kalpatarubhyasya sindhubhya eva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Anantakoti Vaishnava ki jai. Krishna Prabhupada ki jai. Thank you all kids. Hare Krishna.
And now, Hare Mataji, Hare Krishna. Thank you. Hare Krishna.